Scotty. When he calls us out the back, it's always a bit of a worry. You never know what you're going to get thrown.
So I don't know what it was, and
we know something's up. We're like...
Morning, everybody.
Morning, Scotty.
We thought it might have been a challenge.
Yep. Anytime Scotty comes on the site, you know
you're like,
something's going to happen.
I don't know why.
OK, down to business. As you know, this year Suncorp are giving you your budgets weekly. And I think, so far, it's working well. Yep, we're happy with it?
Yep.
I'm happy with it. I think it's working. Yep. But it also means that you're working to a very tight budget each week. So what happens when you want to bring out the big guns and blow everybody out of the water with one big game-changing idea? Well, when that happens, you need to come and see me.
Okay.
This year, each team, once only in the series, can come to me and pitch a big game-changing idea, and Suncorp will fund it. Oh, that's a game changer. If you think you've got a game-changing idea that will win you the week, you need to give me a call.
Awesome.
I like it.
Great.
Good.
That's awesome, because I know we are, and probably a lot of people are thinking forward.
But we only get one game-changing idea this whole season for one of our rooms or wherever we want to put it.
Choose wisely.
Now, some more news.
Oh, OK.
I'm here to tell you that every point that you score from the judges over this series is absolutely crucial. And that's because whoever scores the most points throughout this series of the block will be given a superpower. The power to decide the all-important auction order.
Oh, my God.
You know the significance of this, don't you?
Oh.
Wow. Superpower.
That's big.
That's huge. That's scary.
Yep.
And not just where you go in the auction order, where everybody goes in the auction order. Oh, my God. What about that?
Yeah, straight away I went, holy It gives you a new meaning to stay friendly with your neighbour and keep your enemy closer. So I naturally thought straight away, my house is going to be auctioned off on a Saturday, everyone else is going to be auctioned off on Tuesdays. That's how I thought of it straight away.
As soon as I heard it, I just had goosebumps all over my body. So each week, the points that you get from your room accumulate. So the person at the end who has the most points gets to choose the auction order.
All right, see you later. Get out of here.
Thanks, Scotty.